How to merge two videos into one in CapCut. So let's begin. First of all, you need to open up your CapCut application. Then here you need to click on new project icon. After that, you will then need to carefully select the two distinct video clips and subsequently add them into this designated area. Once you have successfully added them, you will clearly observe an interface that appears much like this one. One of the selected videos will prominently appear right here, and the second video will be clearly present over here. This particular video will naturally come first from this specific location. It has now come here. We will carefully place it here and then proceed to zoom it out, and you can easily bring it over here. Subsequently, you also need to meticulously zoom out the second video, and you can precisely place it directly below the first one. To accomplish this, you will clearly see an option here prominently called Overlay. Click on Overlay and bring this video to the very start. Then, carefully adjust this video so it is positioned below the first one, just like this. After that, you can play it and observe the outcome. This is precisely how our videos will ultimately turn out. And in this way, you can also merge your videos. Subscribe for more technology content.